Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cute outline frame on CapCut PC. I'm just going to use this for the frame. You can mask the outside part first, but this is a PNG, so it's already in the perfect circle shape. I'm actually going to go to effects and I'm going to add in the blur effect first to make it into a gradient. Then I will select the photo and I'm just going to select the circle for the mask, reverse it, and I'm just going to create this outline shape like that. You can use again any colors, any gradient that you want, and then here's where you're going to then add in your video. I'm just going to add in a photo. You can add in a video, but I'm selecting a photo for this one. I'm going to select circle and I'm just going to mask it, but not all the way. I'm going to leave in a black like outline there. If you want this to be like layered on top of something, you're just going to go to library media. You're going to add in this black stock video. Then you're going to select mask circle, and then you're going to create circle. Actually, just put it behind that. Then you can select everything, right click, create compound clip, and then you can add in a background to your photo or video, whatever it is you have, and that is it. Looks like the Instagram highlight reel like this. Not gonna lie, not highlight reel, but just like the highlights. You can add in like more than one picture. So here I'm just going to put it on the left, and then if I go to local, I'm just going to copy and paste this, but I'm just going to put it on top, and I'm going to move it to the right, and I'm going to add in this. I'm just going to press replace. Oh, okay, maybe not. I'll just add it again. It did make it weird because of the format. Like that, and you can even add in a text here. I don't know her Instagram name. Just place it underneath the image. Something like that, and that is it. Super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!